Good day, sir. I'm Peter J. A. Gaas from Section F1 and today I'm gonna recite the Kartilya ng Katipunan, which is number 6, 7, and 8. Kartilya number 6. An honorable man's word is his bond. Don't waste time. Lost wealth may be recovered, but time lost is lost forever. Kartilya number 8. Defend the oppressed and fight for the oppressor. Kartilya number 8. Defend the oppressed and fight the oppressor. For what I understand, Katipunan commitment to protecting the right and welfare of the oppressed Filipino people while actively opposing the oppressive Spanish colonial government. Defend the oppressed. This part of the principle highlights the Katipunan's dedication to stand up for those who are suffering and facing injustice under Spanish colonial rule. It simply means that Katipuners should defend people who are abused. Fight the oppressor. This part of the principle emphasizes that Katipunan's readiness to take direct actions against the abusers. In order them to free, they have to fight against the injustice government of Spanish time. This kartilya ng Katipunan, I can relate it in our present time. Although we are freed from colonialism, but there are certain situations that our kababayan is manipulating people who are less fortunate than them and overpowered them by using their money and possessions. But thanks to our leader who made the laws in order to protect everyone's right.